Ever wondered how to make the perfect vanilla cake at home? You're in the right place. Crafting a vanilla cake is not just about following a recipe, it's about understanding the ingredients and their proportions. The secret to a perfect cake lies in the balance of these elements. From selecting the right flour to mastering the art of mixing, to the baking process itself, every step is crucial. So, are you ready for a culinary adventure? Today, you'll discover how to bake a scrumptious vanilla cake right from your kitchen. For a perfect vanilla cake, the ingredients matter. Start with 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt for balance. You'll also need 4 eggs, a cup of milk, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and let's not forget 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract to bring that classic flavor. Remember, quality ingredients yield a quality cake. With these ingredients ready, you're set for the baking process. Now it's time to turn these ingredients into a delicious cake. First things first, combine all your dry ingredients in a large bowl. A whisk is your best friend here, creating a well-blended base for your cake. Next, it's on to the wet ingredients. Beat them together until they're smooth and creamy, then gradually mix them into the dry ingredients. While you're stirring up a storm, don't forget to preheat your oven. A good bake starts with a hot oven. And while the oven's warming up, prepare your cake pans. A little butter, a sprinkle of flour, and your cake won't stick. Now pour that beautiful batter into the pans, spreading it evenly for a uniform bake. Carefully place them in the oven, and the magic begins. The aroma of vanilla will soon fill your kitchen, a sign that your cake is doing just fine. After about 20 to 25 minutes, your cake should be golden brown and ready. Baking is only half the fun. Now we get to cool and serve our delicious creation. Cooling the cake is a crucial step that often gets overlooked. Resist the temptation to immediately remove the cake from the pan. Giving it time to cool prevents it from falling apart. To check if your cake is done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, or with just a few moist crumbs, your cake is ready. Now, on to serving. Presentation is key here. A dusting of powdered sugar can make your cake look like it's straight out of a bakery. If you're feeling fancy, serve it with a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fresh berries on the side. These additions not only make the cake look more appealing, but they complement the sweet vanilla flavor beautifully. And there you have it, the perfect homemade vanilla cake. Enjoy your baking journey.